How to deactivate your Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So Facebook often changes the menu to deactivate your account. So check the description or pinned comment and I will be making updated videos down there if they change it. So to get started, open up the Facebook app, then select the menu button in the top left next to the Facebook logo. Once the menu opens up, scroll down and just select Settings and Privacy. Once that opens, select Settings, and then at the top, select Account Center. From there, scroll down and find and select Manage Accounts, and then we just want to select Manage next to the Facebook account that we want to deactivate. Once in your account, select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, by default, Deactivate Account will be selected, so go ahead and select Continue. Enter your Facebook password. Once you enter your password, they're going to ask you why you're deactivating your account, so go ahead and select a reason, and then scroll down and select Continue. They'll give you remedy based on what you selected there. If they give you this option right here where it says automatically reactivate my account, you can stop it from reactivating automatically by selecting the dropdown, then scroll down and select Don't Reactivate Automatically. So select Done and then Continue. They're going to give you some information about what will be deactivated alongside your Facebook account. So once you're ready, select Deactivate My Account. And after that, you'll log you out of your Facebook account and your account will be deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back into it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.